Today I am reviewing the POAO 8 smart USB ports with single screen multi-part charger that I, I received in the mail. This is a fair and impartial review, and I did receive a discount on the item from the seller, but that hasn't anything to do with this review. Um, this charger I originally got because I have too many USB things that need to be charged. I've got a PS3 with you the controllers are USB charged. The Wii is USB controller that I have is USB charged. I've got the Wii Fit balance board also same. Um, Plus, I've got my cell phones. Overall, um, this product is pretty good. One thing I have connected, which is right here, is my iPod Mini. I know it's an antique. On the display screen, each port will show that it's charging something, or if something's connected, it's full charged, and how much electricity the port is drawing. This unit is good up to 8.0 amps from the manufacturer. I took it up to 8.4, which isn't recommended. I had plugged in a couple items that were 1 amp each, and then I had a little reserve power bank that I wanted to plug in as well, and it's supposed to be stable down to 0.7 amps, but when I plugged it in, I looked on the display screen, the port itself was drawing 2.4 amps, and the user has no control over how much it's putting out. The the unit itself detects how much power it's supposed to give to each port. It's IC controlled. Um, if you see it turning green on and off, that is the backlight. The backlight initially turns on if you plug something into a port to show that it's recognizing something's been plugged into a port. The backlight goes out after a couple seconds, and then it will turn around and turn back on apparently when a unit is full charged. I tried shooting this video the first time, and there it goes again. Pardon me. It was showing right now the backlight just turned on. It's showing one of the cell phones is fully charged. Really, two of them are fully charged, but that's going by the light on the actual cell phone, but the unit kind of tends to kick in and out to show something's charging kind of when it wants to. But in the end, it gets the job done, and it actually gets it done well. I've got one cell phone that has a huge battery on it. It's still charging. The Wii Fit balance board battery pack is still charging, but it hasn't been used in years, so it could be that the actual battery is croaked. I have no way of knowing at this point. But over and all, it's a pretty good unit. I don't recommend going over the 8 amps that it recommends as a maximum. The link that I purchased this from will be below the video. Definitely think this item is worth a checkout, especially or a look-see, I should say. especially if you're one of those ones like me that has so many video game units and you don't want to leave them all turned on just so that you can charge your little bits and bobs. Uh, in the end, it will wind up saving you a bunch of power if you have this thing, as opposed to having the Wii on for your Wii bits and then having the uh, Xbox 360 on for or your Xbox whatever, your PlayStation whatever, just to have all those controllers charging. It and I know there are a bunch of different types of controllers, and I have a bunch of them myself. So, like I said, this if you're looking for a simple solution to go and charge all your electronics doohickeys, it's worth a look. See, I had wanted to see what happens when I try and plug my 3DS into it. Unfortunately, I couldn't find my 3DS cable, but in the end, well, good unit, worth a look. See, I appreciate you watching my video, and I'm hoping to do more in the near future, not just on items that I am reviewing for because I've been asked to, but other items and uh, inflections basically that I might have on certain things. I'm a bit of a techie. This is my second video. I'm just kind of starting off on it, trying to get the hang. So I apologize for any low quality or whatever that's going on. But again, thanks for checking this video out.